Hi, this is Raman. Welcome to another episode of the 10,000 Trades Show, where we are mastering trading and creating excellence through the deliberate practice and analysis of 10,000 trades. Today, we'll take a look at a pin bar trade setup. This is one of the easiest trade setups to identify because we are only looking at one candlestick. So let's go on to the charts and we'll take a look at what a pin bar looks like, where to enter the trade, where to place our stop loss, and as always, how to exit the trade with a profit. Here we are looking at a bearish pin bar trade setup. This is $CAD 1 hour chart. A bearish pin bar is a single candlestick trade setup where price goes into a support resistance level and then fails to go through it, and we get this single candlestick that shows us that the market is about to reverse. Once we see this candlestick, we see this pin on top, we have a small candle body, this forms our bearish pin bar. Once we see the bearish pin bar, we enter the trade short here. Our stop would go above our pin here, making sure there's room for trade to breathe just in case price decides to go higher and test the next level here. We stay in the trade for as long as price moves lower. And once we see that price starts to go sideways here, we have this bullish pin bar. We are into our S2 pivot point level. We exit the trade. From entry to exit here, we get 92 pips in our trade. So just to recap, this is a $CAD 1 hour chart. We're looking at a bearish pin bar trade setup, which is a single candlestick trade setup. And this is why I like it so much, because it's only one candlestick that we are worried about here. In this candlestick, we see a big pin on top, which shows that price is rejecting this level and wants to move lower, and a small candle close here. We enter the trade short, our stop goes above the high here, and we stay with the trade for as long as price is moving lower. Once we get into the bottom here, we see that we have a bullish pin bar, another bullish pin bar, price starts to go sideways, and we are also into our pivot point S2 level. This is a good time for us to exit the trade. From entry to exit here, we get 92 pips in our trade. So our profit is 92 pips or $920 if trading one standard lot. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you would like to see more great trade setups like this, I invite you to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. That's it for today. I'll see you next time.